There are many powerful and exciting ways you can earn money from your QNET business. One of the ways is through step commissions. Once you have registered and enrolled as a QNET IR, you can immediately start growing your business. You will receive points for every product or service that you sell or buy. We call these points business volume, or BV. Why do we use points? We use business volume points to unify all different currencies, products and local markets we have. Because points allow us to speak the same language anytime, globally. Now, back to earning step commissions. You qualify your business by selling qualifying products to retail customers or from your own personal product purchases. You activate your business by having at least 2 qualified direct referrals with qualifying products each. Direct referrals are individuals that you have personally referred to QNET and have started their own QNET businesses as IRs. Being qualified and activated looks like this. Begin earning step commissions when you have at least 3,000 BV in your lower volume sales team. Your lower volume team is your sales team who has earned less business volume than your other sales team within a given sales week. You earn 1 step commission per 3,000 BV you earn in your lower volume sales team. Your step commission amount and weekly maximum payout will be paid based on your pay rank. The higher your rank is, the higher step commission you will receive. There's more. You also have the option to earn your commissions earlier through early payout. Early payout lets you earn your commissions when you achieve product sales with at least 1,000 BV in your lower volume sales team within your first 4 weeks after registration. Check out the QNET Compensation Plan presentation we have prepared for you in your virtual office to know more. You may also access your business tools in your QNET mobile app. Download it today.